Hello everyone, this is Aarti Shikhande signing in to a Zero Oil Kitchen. Today we will be making a Paneer Biryani without using oil or a ghee. The key ingredient for the Paneer Biryani are very basic ingredient which is always available in our house. Paneer Biryani because paneer is rich in calcium. Before we proceed to the ingredient, I want to tell you that the taste of the Paneer Biryani will be same as that we have a Paneer Biryani cooked in a ghee. So let's start cooking and see the ingredient which will be used for making Paneer Biryani. And I want to thank all the viewers and the people who have liked my video and subscribed to my channel. These are the ingredients used for making a Paneer Biryani. 250 grams of curd, half cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 200 grams of paneer sliced, 1 medium onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani powder, khada masala, 200 grams of rice, 1 medium onion and tomato sliced, 2 cup of water, salt to taste. We have to wash the rice 2-3 times and then pour 2 cup of water and khada masala. Add salt. Stir it properly and then put this particular utensil in the cooker and let it cook for 2 whistles. Now in a bowl, take curd, all 200 grams of curd. Add salt, chili powder, biryani masala, turmeric powder and mix it properly. Then add onion, sliced paneer, mint leaves and coriander leaves and mix all the ingredients properly. Marinate this mixture for 20 minutes. We will be using this cooked rice and the marination for further cooking. In a kadai or a pan, pour water, then onion. Let onion cook till it becomes soft. It will take 2 minutes. Then you add tomato. Mix it well. Add remaining chili powder. You can pour water if it sticks at the bottom of the pan and let it cook till it becomes soft. Then you add the mixture of paneer, half of the mixture, mix it well. And turn off the gas. Add half of the rice over this mixture. Spread the rice over the mixture properly. Then add remaining paneer mixture evenly on the rice. Add coriander and mint leaves. Add remaining half rice over this mixture again. Now add Shahi Biryani essence. It is optional. Few drops. Now cover the kadai with a cloth. Then put the lid over it. It is done just because no steam escape from the kadai. Cover it properly. Now start the gas on a medium flame. Place the tawa and over the tawa you have to place the kadai. On medium flame it has to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your biryani is ready. It looks amazing. Now take one plate and serve it. Isn't it looking yummy, colorful?